Hey brain champions! Today we've got a fun and exciting challenge. Today, we're diving into the world of flags with the Guess the Country by the Flag quiz. You'll face 50 thrilling questions, and you'll have just 10 seconds to guess each flag, so stay sharp. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button for more fun quizzes. Alright champions, let's get started. Identify the flag champion. The answer is C. India. Can you guess the flag? The answer is B. United States. Which country's flag is this? The answer is a China. Can you identify this flag? The answer is C. Russia. Hey champions, can you recognize the image? The answer is B. Japan. Guess the country flag. The answer is a Germany. Identify the flag champion. The answer is C. France. Which country's flag is this? The answer is B. United Kingdom. Can you guess the flag? The answer is Italy. Can you identify this flag? The answer is C. Canada. Hey champions, can you recognize the image? The answer is B. Australia. Guess the country flag. The answer is Argentina. Identify the flag champion. The answer is C. Mexico. Can you guess the flag? The answer is B. South Korea. Which country's flag is this? The answer is North Korea. Can you identify this flag? The answer is C. Indonesia. Identify the flag champion. The answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Can you guess the flag? The answer is A, UAE. Which country's flag is this? The answer is C, Turkey. Can you identify this flag? The answer is B, Iran. Hey champions, can you recognize the image? The answer is Iraq. Hey champions, can you recognize the image? The answer is C, Pakistan. Identify the flag champion. The answer is B, Bangladesh. Can you guess the flag? The answer is Sri Lanka. Which country's flag is this? The answer is C, Nepal. Can you identify this flag? The answer is B, Bhutan. Hey champions, can you recognize the image? The answer is Afghanistan. Guess the country flag. The answer is C, Thailand. Identify the flag champion. The answer is B, Vietnam. Can you guess the flag? The answer is Malaysia. Which country's flag is this? The answer is C, Singapore. Can you identify this flag? The answer is B, Philippines. Hey champions, can you recognize the image? The answer is New Zealand. Guess the country flag. The answer is C, Egypt. Identify the flag champion. The answer is B, South Africa. Can you guess the flag? The answer is Nigeria. Which country's flag is this? The answer is C. Kenya. Can you identify this flag? The answer is B. Ethiopia. Hey champions, can you recognize the image? The answer is A. Greece. Guess the country flag. The answer is C. Spain. Identify the flag champion. The answer is B. Portugal. Can you guess the flag? The answer is A. Netherlands. Which country's flag is this? The answer is C. Switzerland. Can you identify this flag? The answer is B. Sweden. Hey champions, can you recognize the image? The answer is A. Norway. Guess the country flag. The answer is C. Denmark. Identify the flag champion. The answer is B. Poland. Can you guess the flag? The answer is A. Ukraine. Which country's flag is this? The answer is C. Israel. Can you identify this flag? The answer is B. Brazil. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. Also, drop your score in the comment box. I'd love to see how you did.